Today I am doing something very exciting. I am merging my professional self with my inner fangirl and designing a toggle switch button that is inspired by the book series ACOTAR, which, by the way, it's my favorite book series. I love it so much, and it's not even complete yet, so I have more to look forward to. Thank God. So, I'm designing a toggle button. It's not going to be a toggle button that can be used in interfaces, really, but it's a toggle button that's supposed to look cool, okay? It's going to feature some illustration, animation. I am going to prototype it in Figma using the Smart Animate feature. Yeah, let's get right into it.